Good morning and happy Saturday. Looking at our forecast today, it's a bit cold out there with temperatures down into the single digits here this morning. But with the sunshine, we are going to warm up into the upper 20s to near 30 later on this afternoon. But it will be quite windy with winds out of the west anywhere from 20 to maybe up near 30 miles per hour later on today. Your 7-day forecast for the weekend is always in view, showing sunshine and 36 here for tomorrow. We're back up into the 40s here by Monday for President's Day, and we'll continue to warm up into the upper 40s to even near 50 here by Tuesday and Wednesday.